Hello, welcome to the world of Hindi. Hello, welcome to this amazing journey of learning Hindi. Hindi is more than just a language. It's a door to a bright and colorful culture. It's a mix of history, art, and tradition. Imagine understanding Bollywood movies without subtitles. Picture yourself talking with people in busy Indian markets. Think about enjoying the beauty of Hindi stories and poems. Learning Hindi opens up lots of new things you can do. It lets you talk to millions of people around the world. It helps you learn more about the world and makes your life better in many ways. So get ready for this exciting adventure. Get ready to say hello to a new world of talking, culture, and connection. Open up a world of chances. Learning Hindi isn't just about learning another language, it's like opening a treasure chest full of good things. First, Hindi connects you to India's heart. It helps you understand its customs, traditions, and festivals much better. Imagine experiencing Diwali, the Festival of Lights, and really understanding what it means. Second, Hindi makes your brain stronger. Studies show that learning a new language makes your brain work better. It helps you remember things, solve problems, and even do many things at once. And don't forget the helpful things it can do for you. Hindi is spoken by lots of people all over the world. Knowing Hindi can help you when you travel, give you new job opportunities, and help you connect with many people from India. Learning Hindi doesn't have to be boring. It can be super fun. Forget memorizing everything and boring grammar practice. Think fun games. Imagine learning Hindi through fun apps, puzzles, and quizzes. Picture yourself singing along to catchy Bollywood songs, learning new words easily. How about watching classic Hindi movies? You'll get to see some Indian cinema, and you'll also start to recognize common phrases. And the best part? You can learn about Hindi culture right from your home. Explore online resources, watch cooking shows, and even try making yummy Indian food. Learning a language has never been so enjoyable. Ready to start your Hindi adventure? Let's start with the simple things, just like building a beautiful house. The foundation is important. First, we'll learn the Hindi alphabet. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it looks. We'll learn it step by step, starting with the vowels and consonants. Next, we'll practice how to say the words. In Hindi, words are spoken just like they are written. We'll practice together so you can say Hindi words correctly. And finally, we'll start learning new words. We'll learn words and phrases you use every day. Greetings, numbers, colors, and more. Remember, every step gets you closer to speaking Hindi fluently. Section 5. Building your word bank, Hindi words for everyday life. Imagine arriving in Delhi and knowing your way around. That's what knowing the right words can do. We'll teach you useful words and phrases for everyday things. Ordering food at a restaurant? Easy. Asking for directions? No problem. We'll cover things like travel, shopping, eating, and even simple medical words. With fun exercises and real-life examples, you'll learn to use these words easily. Remember, every new word you learn is like adding a brick to your Hindi foundation, making it stronger. Section 6. Cracking the code understanding Hindi grammar. Grammar might sound scary, but think of it as the rules of the language. It helps you put words together to make sentences. We'll make Hindi grammar easy, explaining it bit by bit. We'll learn about sentence structure, how verbs change, and important grammar rules. Don't worry, we won't use complicated words. We'll keep it simple and easy to understand. You'll be surprised how quickly you start to understand Hindi grammar. Section 7. Talk like a local, mastering Hindi conversations. Ready to use your Hindi? It's time to start talking. This is the really fun part. We'll teach you common phrases you use when talking to people. You'll learn how to greet people, introduce yourself, ask questions, and have simple conversations. With practice conversations and dialogues, you'll feel more confident speaking. We'll focus on how to say words correctly, the tone of your voice, and body language, so you can talk to people in real life. Section 8. Going beyond the basics, exploring advanced Hindi. Once you know the basic things, it's time to learn more about Hindi. We'll explore more difficult grammar, learn more words, and show you different ways of speaking and writing. You'll learn about idioms, proverbs, and even explore Hindi literature and poetry. This is your chance to really appreciate how beautiful and interesting the language is. Section 9. Keep going. Tips for long-term success. Congratulations on getting this far in learning Hindi. Remember, practicing regularly is important. Make Hindi a part of your everyday life. Listen to Hindi music, watch Bollywood movies, and try to talk with native speakers when you can. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. The more you practice, the better you'll get at speaking Hindi. Learning a language takes time. Enjoy the journey, be proud of what you've learned, and enjoy being able to talk in Hindi.